My chosen crime is large-scale drug trafficking operation. I'm interested in the large-scale drug trafficking operation because it shows how to crime goes beyond simple law breaking and becomes a complex social issues. Drug syndicates often involves international connections, secret financings, and corruption, which makes the investigation challenging and exciting from a criminology perspective. Here are the three important insights. 1. Complex criminal networks. Drug trafficking isn't just street level dealing. It involves multi-layered international networks, advanced smuggling techniques, and financial system designed to hide illegal profits. 2. Law enforcement challenges. Successful investigations require long-term surveillance, interagency coordination, and strong evidence gathering. This shows how crucial technology, intelligence sharing, and legal cooperation are in combating organized drug crime. 3. Broad social impact. Beyond the legal violations, large-scale trafficking fuels addictions, community violence, and economic strain, proving that effective responses must combine law enforcement, public health, and education efforts. From my personal reflection, this case helped me realize that crime is not only about individuals breaking the law but also about systems and networks that require equally organized responses.